Jungle Cruise. I'm your really ridiculously good-looking skipper, Clayton the Great. We'll be here 5 days, 7 romantic nights. Okay, out here in the jungle. Now, ladies and gentlemen, please, for your safety, please remain seated throughout the entire extent of our voyage. Please keep your hands, feet, arms, and legs inside the boat at all times. And guys, please don't fall asleep. If you guys are looking for a place to fall asleep, that's why we have Hall of Presidents. Okay. It's air conditioned and it's got soft seats. Now, ladies and gentlemen, guess what? I said, guess what? I'm on a boat. B-O-T-E boat. Wait, no, that's not right. B-O-W-T. Yeah. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we actually just entered the Congo River, embedded in the deepest, scariest parts of Africa. Disney magic, folks. Disney magic. Now, if you guys would, go ahead and look over here. Look on your right-hand side. You're right here, right on your right-hand side. You'll see absolutely nothing. Nothing, nada. But, folks, if you look directly behind me, you'll see a rather large snake. It starts with a P. Can anyone tell me what that snake's name is?
Plastic.
No, it's plastic. Now, folks, if you look over here, here's my camp. Here's my camp. Oh, my goodness, those monkeys! No! No, monkeys! That's my Jeep right there. Oh, well. I don't know, guys. Do you think maybe I should call AAA? Anybody got a monkey wrench? Now, ladies and gentlemen, we just entered the Nile River. Yes, the Nile River, 4,000 miles long. If you don't believe me, well, you must be in denial. Oh my goodness! Large African bull elephant. For those of you suffering from short-term memory loss, oh my goodness! Large African bull elephant. Now, ladies and gentlemen, because I am a Jungle Cruise skipper, I am well versed in all animal names. Okay. Now, folks, I'm going to point out some of my very favorites here in the jungle. Now, do you see those gray animals right there? Yeah, they're called gray ugly ponies. Yeah. But over here on the rocks, we have some lions. Demonstrating the first law of the jungle: protect sleeping zebras at all costs. Okay, yes, kids, that zebra is dead tired. Yes. Oh my goodness, oh man! No way! I told those guys not to mess with that rhino, but I guess they'll get that point in the end. Yeah, they're always the butt end of my jokes, though. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we just entered crocodile territory. Feel free to toss out your in-laws at this point. Keep your eyes peeled for some crocodiles. Now, ladies and gentlemen, there's several dangers out here in the jungle, such as animals, monsoons, and of course, deadly waterfalls. You never want to... Oh my goodness, waterfalls! No, everybody lean in! Lean in! Lean in! Everybody lean! Lean! Oh, wow! The gentleman in the back there with the New York Yankees hat on obviously was so scared. You didn't even move a muscle! Paralyzed with fear, I understand. Now, folks, I actually don't know where we are right now. We took a slight detour. Hippopotami. No, that's not right. Hippopotamuses. Oh no, you were saying about right there. That's why I have my gun and I'm going to scare him away with my gun. Watch this. Shoot! Shoot! I have a gun! I have a gun! Get away! Now, folks, don't rejoice just yet. Do not rejoice just yet. Looks like we just entered Headhunter territory. Definitely not a good place to be right now. Now, I don't think they're going to attack our boat. I don't think they'll attack our boat as long as nobody's wearing a dollar bill on their shirt. Yes, $1 billion bill on their shirt. As long as nobody is wearing that shirt. Uh-oh. Oh my goodness, man. You just put all of our lives in danger. No! No, everybody get down! Everybody get down! Get down! Use the children as shields! Oh my goodness, that was so scary. Wow. Now, folks, how many of you have seen Fantasmic? Raise your hand if you've seen Fantasmic. orgasmic. For those of you who haven't, just like that. Just like that. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we just entered the Mekong River, located in Southeastern Asia. Oh, guys, look up ahead. Look what we have. A scary dark tunnel. I don't know. Should we go in?
Yeah!
I mean, there might be danger. There might be treasure.
You have a gun!
Who are we kidding? This is Disney. It probably leads to a gift shop. Now, folks, over here on the left-hand side, you'll see Tigger. T-I-double-G-R, but he looks really cranky, though. I'd be pretty cranky, too, if I spent all day playing with Boo. Now, folks, do you remember that gentleman who didn't move at the waterfall? Okay, look at him. Now look at the idol. Now look at him. Now look at the idol. Similarity there? I think so. Oh my goodness, thank goodness, folks. I think we found the exit to the tunnel. Oh my goodness! Whoa, guys, look at that! Wow! Look at that! A secret Indian elephant bathing pool! Just for you, birthday boy! It's just for your birthday! To you from Disney! But it's not really yours because Disney doesn't give you anything for free. Oh my goodness, guys, would you look at those cute little elephants? They're so cute. So cute. Oh no! Oh my god! Whoa, guys, we almost all got super soaked. That was Who was screaming that loud? Who was that? It was you, I know. Now, folks, this is my most favorite part of the journey. I call this Clayton the Great's favorite plant life. I like to point out some of my very favorite plants out here in the jungle. Now, look over here on the right-hand side. Do you see that green leafy plant right there? Do you see it? No, it's the green one with the leaves, to be more specific, sir. Yeah, it's my favorite. Any questions? Okay, good. Moving on. Folks, if you look over here on the left-hand side, you'll see the retired Mary Poppins. Yes, kids, if you eat 2 spoonfuls of sugar every day, that's what you will look like. Now, folks, that was quite the crazy journey, quite the expedition. Why? We laughed together. We cried together. We even nearly died together. That makes us like family, right? Doesn't it? But just like family, though, 10 minutes together is about 10 minutes too long. So when we round this bend, I'm going to need all of you, even you in the back there with the white shirt, to get out of my boat. Okay? Now, ladies and gentlemen, as we round this bend, please make sure you keep your hands, feet, arms, and legs inside the vessel at all times. Please remain seated until we come to a complete and total stop. Please take little children by the hands as you exit the vessel.